Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can change Instagram theme, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do, simply gonna go ahead first access your Instagram on your mobile phone, and this kind of interface gonna appear right here in this home section. Afterwards, what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your chat option on top right corner. Again, here in this section you can find the chats that you have, and let's say there is a profile you would like to change your theme to. Let's say this is this person, right? So what you're gonna do afterwards, you're gonna go ahead tap on that person's username on top, and we're gonna see this kind of interface right here in this theme section. We're gonna go ahead tap on it, and now it will show us all kind of themes that are available. We can simply go ahead choose any of the one we want, or we can even we do not have search option though, I would love it, but we can simply change it, and we're gonna go back and you can see the theme of our Instagram, the particular user or chat is now changed. So that way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.